Linear equations, simplifying variables on both sides of an equation. Here's an example. 2x plus 5 equals to 3x minus 7. Solution. The goal is to move all the variables to one side and the numbers to the other side. Rewrite the equation. Subtract 2x from both sides. Simplify the equation. Plus 2x and minus 2x are simplified. The equation is 5 equals to x minus 7. Now add 7 to both sides. It will be simplified to 12 equals to x, or x equals to 12. Now check the solution for x equals to 12 in the equation. 2x plus 5 equals to 3x minus 7. For x equals 12. Check if it is a valid solution. That is, 2 times 12 plus 5 equals to 3 times 12 minus 7. 24 plus 5 equals to 36 minus 7. 29 equals to 29, which is true. Hence, x equals to 12 is the solution. Here's an example. 2 times x plus 3 equals to 4x minus 2. Solution. Use distributive property. Multiply 2 with x and multiply 2 with 3. Rewrite the equation. 2x plus 6 equals to 4x minus 2. Now, subtract 2x from both sides. Simplify the equation. Plus 2x and minus 2x are simplified. The equation is 6 equals to 2x minus 2. Rewrite the equation. Now, add 2 to both sides, plus 2, and minus 2 are simplified. The equation is 8 equals to 2x. Now, divide by 2 on both sides. Simplify 2 with 2 and 2 with 8. The solution is x equals to 4. Now check the solution for x equals to 4 in the equation. The equation is 2 times x plus 3 equals to 4x minus 2 for x equals to 4. Check if it is a valid solution. That is, 2 times 4 plus 3 equals to 4 times 4 minus 2. 2 times 7 equals to 16 minus 2. 14 equals to 14, which is true. Hence, x equals to 4 is the solution. One more example. 1/2 of times x plus 1 equals to x minus 1. Solution. To eliminate the fractional part before the equation, we can multiply the reciprocal of the given fraction. Here, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, which is 2. Now, multiply by 2 on both sides of the equation. Simplify 2 in the numerator with 2 in the denominator. Rewrite the equation. X plus 1 equals 2. 2 times x minus 1. Rewrite the equation. X plus 1 equals to 2 times x minus 1. Use distributive property. Multiply 2 with x and multiply 2 with minus 1. The equation is x plus 1 equals 2, 2x minus 2. Subtract x from both sides. Plus x and minus x are simplified. The equation will be 1 equals 2, x minus 2. Now, add 2 to both sides. Plus 2 and minus 2 are simplified. The solution is x equals to 3. Now check the solution for x equals to 3 in the equation. The equation is 1/2 times x plus 1 equals 2, x minus 1. For x equals to 3. Check if it is a valid solution. That is, 1/2 times 3 plus 1 equals 2, 3 minus 1. That will be 1/2 times 4 equals to 2. Now simplify 2 in the denominator with the 4 in the numerator. That will be 2 equals to 2, which is true. Hence, x equals to 3 is the solution.
Thanks for watching.